Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with this week's weekly trade recap video for March 7th through the 11th, 2022. Looking at an hourly chart of SPY. Let's get into it. So, a lot of traps in the market continuing to unfold on this downside pressure pretty much all year, guys. All these pops are getting sold. All these, I'm not going to say BS headlines, but manufactured, fabricated headlines to catch, the quote-unquote bottom feeders, breakout traders, all these guys that are, kind of trading the news, which guaranteed majority of these headlines are designed to play on these types of emotional based traders. We had a number of positive and big quotes, bold headlines this week trying to reverse the market, and you see obviously what had followed through with each of the positive headlines that gapped up the market pre-market. Everything got slammed down. We're looking at obviously an hourly chart of SPY into the close. The ETF traded down just north of 5.5 points. And it's just making its way down, guys. We're making its way down. Falling knife right now. Obviously, whenever the market, SPY in particular, is trading below all of its major moving averages, it's a falling knife. Listen, we weren't here since back in March 2020 from the COVID outbreak. Lows got printed and we had the reversal. So we're there. Now, the reason behind it, obviously, is the war, right? So make no mistake about that. And on top of that, is it a coincidence that the top of the year, everything started bleeding out, and this solid run up, and then the market fell off a cliff pretty much the first week of January, and now we're seeing some pretty heavy distribution leading up to pretty significant war. Coincidence? That being said, this past week was a huge opportunity for both to the upside and the downside, guys. Not just because the market's falling off a cliff doesn't mean there's no long. There's plenty of longs. Isolated, obviously, but nonetheless. Levels are just, acting as magnets and getting blown through, especially to the downside. Great week for our watch list, our weekly watch list, and our intradays as well, our trade ideas. Some significant moves to the downside. Let's go through some of those right now. Overall, it's just a great week, guys. Very, very focused list on each session. Had a couple that were a little bit extra than normal. But nonetheless, great week. A lot of lessons to be had. Plenty of stops along the way. Don't get it twisted. Take plenty of stops, but you don't spotlight the stops. You don't spotlight the losses, guys. You spotlight losses, you're going to spend too much time, mental capital, focusing on those things. So, spotlight the wins, guys. All right, learn from the losses and spotlight the wins. Let's get into the week's session. Trades we took, things we missed, stops we took, all that good stuff. Some good lessons and levels. All right, guys, let's get down to business.